Hey Joes! Wondering how to renew your driver's license this 2023? We got you! Let's start! First, go inside and ask the customer service agent for the driver's license renewal form. By the way, this is Bacoor or Cavite branch. Second, line up outside and pay 500 pesos for the medical examination certificate. Then be seated while waiting for your name to be called. Make use of this time to fill up and finish the form. If you hadn't finished the CD exam, finish it here by opening portal LTO.gov.ph website. Third, inside the clinic, weight, height, eye problems, etc. will be asked. By the way, if you hadn't printed your CD exam certificate, you can print it here for 15 pesos, Xerox for 10 pesos. Fourth, pass the DL form, DLID medical certificate and CD exam certificate to the customer service agent and wait for your number to be called. You may want to be seated near the cashier because the fifth step is paying the cashier 585 pesos. Restrooms are on the far end of the hallway. The office is well ventilated with aircon and electric fan. After payment, the sixth step is wait for your name to be called to get your biometrics on window number 2. After that, the last step is wait for your name again to be called for the releasing of your new ID at window number 3. We arrived around 7:30 in the morning and finished around 11:30 in the morning. Thanks Bacoor LTO branch for my 10 years driver's license. Follow for more.